Hey everyone, welcome to Snap Change Media. I'm Brandon, and in this video I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Ford Everest Platinum. The Ford Everest Platinum V6 is the range-topping Everest that comes with all the bells and whistles and the most powerful engine option. It is an adventure-ready SUV that comfortably seats 7, and it's ready to tackle any terrain with its rugged ladder-on-frame chassis. It's the same chassis setup that's found on the Ford Ranger, but the suspension has been tuned for more comfort and more luxury. It rivals the Toyota Fortuner, the Isuzu MU-X, as well as the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, but none of those models have a V6 engine. So Ford says that it punches way above its weight grade and also rivals the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is available in 4 derivatives. It's the XLT, the Sport, the Wildtrak, and the Platinum. The XLT and the Sport share the 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine that delivers 154 kilowatts and 500 newton meters of torque, and the Wildtrak and the Platinum share the 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine that delivers 650 newton meters and 184 kilowatts. All models are equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The XLT and Sport have a part-time 4x4 system, where the Wildtrak and the Platinum have a full-time 4x4 system. Pricing for the XLT starts at 942,000 Rand. The Sport is 1,029,000 Rand. The Wildtrak is 1.2 million. The Platinum is 1.3 million. The Everest Platinum comes standard with these 21-inch machine-faced alloy wheels and rides with a 226mm ground clearance. I do recommend that you option for the 18-inch alloys if you're the more adventurous type. It has privacy tint, color-coded mirrors, color-coded door handles, platinum name badging on the side, as well as a V6 badge on the side. Up front, it features Ford's signature LED daytime running lights, as well as a unique grille with chrome accents. And here's a closer look at what the 21-inch rims look like. Decent ride height, and then there's the V6 badging and platinum badging, and then the mirror housing with integrated lights as well as the camera down there. It's color-coded handles as well with keyless entry. On the inside, it is a very nice place to be. Very good build quality. Very neatly designed as well. Nice soft touch materials and nice plastic bits as well. Feels good and looks good. Easy to use and very practical. Nice cup holders over there. The seats are electronically operated and are covered in Nappa leather. They also have heating and cooling capability, and they feel and look good. Also has that platinum name badging over there, just to remind you that you're in the top spec. Feels good and looks good. It's also a panoramic sunroof that is unique to the Everest. Up front, it's nice detailing there. It says Everest, massive infotainment screen, and a massive driver display as well. Very clear, clean. Nice build quality again, stitching, good, nice plastics. Very, very beautiful and well-appointed vehicle. Leather wrap steering wheel, feels good in the hand, and it does the job that it needs to. It's a multifunctional steering wheel that's adaptive cruise control and the works. More platinum name badging up front over there. Inside there's storage holders. There's a cup holder up front over there. Push to start. And like I said, the multifunctional steering wheel. It's also automatic headlights and automatic wipers. It's a 10-speed automatic shifter. And the rotary dial over there is to change the drive modes and to change between 4H, 4L and 4A. It is equipped with a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system that sounds really good with the acoustics of the vehicle. Like I've mentioned, these seats have heating and cooling capabilities which are able to control from the infotainment system like this. The steering wheel also has heating capabilities which I've been enjoying during the winter season here in Cape Town. Steering wheel feels good in the hand and looks good as well, especially with the contrast in stitching. Jumping to the back, it's continuation of the nice touch materials and good build quality. Very, very nice. The seats at the back, also leather wrapped, with Napa leather and also have heating capabilities. I like it. Very comfortable and it's nice and warm as well. And down here are the controls for the heated seats, for the ventilation system that has dual zone climate control at the rear. And then there's USB Type C and USB Type A connectivities. This is the 230 volt socket, so you're able to charge your laptop nice and quickly. Heated seats are on, put them off. It's also nice sleeves here, good compartments to put goodies as well as your cup holders and these funky door handles. Jumping to the rear is easy by just flipping this button, pulling it back. You have to keep it up all the way, and then you get access to the rear seats. It's not the most spacious place, but you can sit here. I've sat there. I'm not the biggest person, but yeah. There's also cup holders at the back. Napa leather seats, of course. Let's close it up and jump into the boot space. It's nice platinum name badging at the back. It's almost like a Unilight bar. And then there's the reverse view camera that goes together with the 360 view camera. Everest naming at the back. And then, of course, electronic boot lid opening. It's decent amount of boot space at the back when the seats are folded up. And then these rear seats are also electronically operated. This is not found in the rivals. It's only found in the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Nice, quick and easy change. My younger cousins quite like this, and so did I. So my bag is in the way there, it's not going to go all the way down. And obviously when you fold these seats down, you get more luggage space. Let's close it up. And then let's jump inside and go for a drive. The V6 turbo diesel engine is the showpiece of the Everest Platinum. It's a V6 diesel engine with a turbo, and it is very, very powerful, very smooth, and it just makes the ride that more comfortable and that more refined. It delivers 184 kilowatts and 600 Newton meters of torque to the full-time 4x4 system, and that means that you're able to drive in 4x4 mode like on normal occasions. Like right now it's in all-wheel drive 4x4 mode. That's different to 4i. 4i you're not able to drive on normal road like this. That's what sets it apart from the Toyota Fortuner and from the Isuzu MU-X. There's nice interior lighting. It's a very, very comfortable place to be, and that V6 diesel engine just makes it that much smoother. I hardly ever go over 2000 revs, but I'm a bit in a rush now, so I am pushing it a bit more. I've averaged 12 liters per 100 kilometers after my week-long experience. When I got the car, it was a full tank. I still have 251 kilometers range left. So I drove 220 kilometers. So overall, that's a range of just under 600 kilometers. It's very nice. And you can expect it with a V6 diesel engine. Nice stitching over here. Very, very nice. The ride quality is quite refined. It is very comfortable inside here. Like I said, it has a ladder frame chassis and it has double wishbone setup in the front and a leaf spring suspension in the rear. Finely tuned, very stiff, very, very sporty feeling, I can say. Very car-like. You wouldn't say that you are inside a bakkie, especially with this beautifully trimmed interior. So the main rivals are the Toyota Fortuner, the Isuzu MU-X, and the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. You can also add in the Toyota Prado, as this vehicle is very, very comfortable and has the V6 engine, and Ford says it's as capable. I'm not too sure about that. Another vehicle that does rival this vehicle is the Jeep Grand Cherokee and the Grand Cherokee L. That also has a V6 petrol engine, and it is a bit more luxurious than this and more comfortable because of its air suspension setup. So what do you guys think about this vehicle? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think V6 engines are still in, or is going for a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine like the MUX, a better option. This 3-liter V6 engine is very smooth. The 4-liter